Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here, and on this episode of Clara Marie Vlogs, part of my 25 days of Vlogmas, this is my first Vlogmas ever, I'm going to be sharing with you gifts you can get for anybody. So here they are, and I will also be sure to list the links of certain ones of where you can find them in the description box below, and of course I'll be listing all of the things I tell you in this video in the description box as well. The first one is gift cards for your recipient's favorite restaurant, a movie night in a box, candy, ice skates, baking tools, a Bluetooth shower speaker, scrapbook, and a reusable water bottle, concert tickets, board games for anyone, a wallet, a portable Bluetooth speaker, a power bank, reading books, an art kit for you artsy people out there, maybe a Bob Ross one, yeah, and notebooks, a portable photo printer, a vacation trip somewhere, like Disney World, a projector, shoes, pajamas, a blanket, movie tickets, a DNA kit, a calendar, a cat or a dog, slime from a popular YouTube slimer. Shout out to Karina Garcia, a very popular YouTube slimer, the queen of slime. And shout out to you, Karina. Thank you. I'll be sure to link her channel in the description box below. It's pretty lit. Check her out. And software to learn a new language, a mini tripod, airline tickets, a neon sign, train tickets, LED lights, clothes, a blender, a food processor, keychains, a hot cocoa mix kit, a karaoke machine, a disco ball, a coffee maker, a charging station, a lap desk, sports equipment, workout DVDs, exercise equipment, a robe, a camera, pillows, coloring books, well, adult coloring books, or maybe if you have kids, get them kid ones, cookbooks, home videos converted onto DVDs for anyone if you want to have those special moments. Memories are forever, you know. Convert them from a VHS tape or those little tiny ones onto a DVD. You could have it professionally done or do it yourself. There's tutorials on that for YouTube anywhere, almost. Yeah. And a gift subscription to the recipient's favorite magazine. Gloves, a scarf, a winter hat, the Amazon Fire Stick, Amazon Alexa speaker device, a TV, a gift box subscription, boots, instant Polaroid camera, a piece of moon glow jewelry that shows what the moon phase was like on their date of birth from moonglow.com, which I will link in the description box below, gift cards for the recipient's favorite stores, an Amazon gift card, a light-up disco ball that rotates, a pack of wicked good cupcakes in jars as seen on Shark Tank. I'll link them too in the description box below. Shout out to Tracy and Danny, mother-daughter duo of the company. A mason jar mix, a piece of artwork store-bought or homemade, a Cricut expression machine for you crafty ones out there. For those that are, yeah, you know, you get my drift. A slow cooker, a pizza making kit gift basket, the dessert bullet, an international snack box gift subscription, an international foods gift basket with different foods from around the world, which you can buy the snacks online or from various stores. Maybe you have them in your international aisle. Who knows? Hand soaps, scented or unscented, cooking tools, a cake decorating kit, cake decorating supplies for maybe if you only have only a certain amount, maybe you need more. Cookware, bakeware, Polaroid film for your Polaroid camera, like I mentioned earlier, a MacBook, an iPad or tablet, a box set of their favorite TV show, their favorite movie on DVD, an iTunes gift card, home decor, a backpack, fan merch of your recipient's favorite singer or band, a new planner / agenda for the new year, an ice cream maker, a waffle maker, an air fryer or regular deep fryer, a chocolate fountain, a cake pop maker, a popcorn machine, a fondue set, earmuffs, an edible arrangement, Christmas popcorn tubs, a musical instrument, a real or faux arrangement of succulent plants, ice cream sundae in a box. You can provide their favorite toppings and sauces. Tumbler cups, travel mugs, Victorola tabletop jukebox, laptop stickers, a diffuser, panettone, German stolen bread, a mini fridge, a body pillow, glazed nuts, store-bought or homemade, those are always nice, a pancake making kit, letters to my future self book for anyone, a book rest holder, a microwave cake mix in a mug, a sheet music book, a ping pong table game. You can make that homemade or just get the store-bought version. And a jigsaw puzzle, a video game system like the Xbox or Wii, whatever works best for you or them. Video games for the video game system, a webcam, a camcorder, a magician kit, drink coasters, a drone, a dartboard, and family board games. I think I already said that. Oops. A sticker maker with refill cartridges, a printer with black and color ink cartridges, a sleep mask, an LED light mirror, headphones, a snow globe picture frame, a light box, new bedding, candles, scented or unscented, air hockey table, tea infuser, iced tea making kit, oven mitts, a mini basketball hoop for hanging on the back of your door, a basketball hoop for outside, a volleyball net, autographs from the recipient's famous idol, like Christina Aguilera is one of mine. Shout out to you, Christina Aguilera. An electrical stone fountain, a s'mores maker kit, the Scrub Daisy sponge set. I found that on QVC, and also the same people that brought you the Scrub Daddy on Shark Tank. A piece of artwork, DIY'd, store-bought or online, purchased online, and last but not least, family card games. And that's my list of ideas you can get for anyone for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you stay tuned for hit that notification bell as well. So that's all for now. Bye!